This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Charlotte Hitchens. Perfect in every way. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-level townhouse has been updated and beautifully maintained. Roof replaced, back deck painted, leaf filter on gutters, 2 50-gallon water heaters, laminate throughout commercial grade, ceiling fans, light fixtures replaced. Fireplace, vaulted ceilings, coffer in MSD. Bedroom, large jetted tub, walk-in shower, DBL. Vanity, split bedrooms, oversized garage, laundry room has pantry. Refrigerator washer/dryer not incorporated, approximately 1,830 square feet, $295,000 through Magellan Cr. For more information, review the details below.